Okay, this is our room 3211. This is the Caribbean Honeymoon Beach View Club Level Room, a category GL. So walk into the room. This is the bathroom, double sinks, lighted mirror, got a walk-in shower, open our closet, we got our robes. The room does come with sandals as well, iron. We have our safe as well. Again, this is a club level room, so it does include alcohol. It's our 4-post bed. And although we didn't, I guess we did ask for specific drinks during our stay. There's our mini fridge. And again, you can certainly ask for the drinks that you want to have in there. Certain sodas and juices. It's a little coffee pot. And our liquor. You got a little bit of space to kind of chill here. We found this room to be more than adequate for our needs. We have a nice view of one of the pools. We spent plenty of time ordering room service and out on our little balcony enjoying the views, the breeze. And over in the distance there is Pigeon Island. Hope you guys enjoyed.